You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a name from science, from anatomy. If you want to learn more medical terms, more from anatomy that is confusing, stay tuned. We've got them all at the end of the video. The pronunciation in English here is as Alaeque, Alaeque, nasi. It's pretty straightforward once you know. I mean, the spelling doesn't make a ton of sense. In Latin it'd be Alaeque, nasi, but in English, Alaeque, nasi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.